Appointment flow, software through which your new appointments flow. This is our all-in-one marketing software for financial professionals, which is this ultimate hub for automating and managing financial professionals' marketing funnel. Why is it important to have one hub for all of your marketing efforts? Since it is centralized, you can easily manage all of the platforms through which you are getting attention. It automates repetitive tasks, saving time and increasing efficiency, and it provides full visibility into marketing performance and lead progress. The main benefit is that you can easily manage and control everything that you do in your marketing. You can do it also through our mobile app to easily access all of the needed features to communicate with the prospects or manage your social media. Financial Professionals Online Marketing Department, which we offer as our service as well, can easily manage all of the processes through this software. What are the expected results of using Appointment Flow? It increases productivity, less time switching between tools, more time closing deals, brings you more leads and appointments since you have automated lead nurturing and conversion optimization. It increases your ROI on your ads and outreach because you have smarter targeting and more efficient retargeting, and you will have stronger brand presence because your messaging will be consistent across multiple platforms. Once you will get into our software, you will get onboarded, which means that we will set up everything that you need to utilize the software 100%. We provide you as well with support that helps you with setting up everything that you need and personalizing our templates. We consult you on workflows, templates, we provide the content strategy and lead management. We ensure seamless integration with existing marketing tools. I'm going to list out the core features and then we will go one by one through them. So first of all, we have CRM and pipeline, conversation management, funnels and websites, calendars and appointment scheduling, marketing automation, email and SMS campaigns, social media posting, lead magnet management, reputation management, ads reporting and optimization, and our mobile app. Let's break down these one by one. First of all, we have CRM and pipeline. For this is usually used Salesforce or Pipedrive. But we have this as one integration, one feature within the software, which is great. And every other feature here is alternative to every other software that you can find online, and this is where you are saving money on buying many softwares. Our CRM and pipeline organizes and tracks leads at different stages of the funnel, allows bulk actions such as messaging, tagging, or moving leads, and automates lead nurturing through workflows and follow-ups. Second one is conversation management. For this, you can buy Hootsuite, which is like $100 a month. But again, we have this in our software. So conversations management ensures that you stay connected on all channels. It is centralized inbox for Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, email, and SMS. And you can send messages, attachments, and automated responses. You can also assign tasks, take notes, and track previous interactions in one place. The third one is social media posting and scheduling. And again, for this is used Hootsuite, but we have it as one of our features. With this feature, consistency is made easy. You can post across multiple platforms from one dashboard, automate content scheduling for LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, or X. You can also track engagement and performances for each post. Another feature is calendar and appointment scheduling. And for this is used Calendly, and we have it as one of our features. Clients can book appointments directly from your website or social media profiles. It can automatically be synced with your Google, Outlook, iOS calendar, or any other calendar that you need. And it sends reminders via emails and SMS to reduce no-shows. Another one, we have funnels and websites. For website creation, you can use Wix, Squarespace, WordPress, which can be anywhere from $10 to $15 per month. And for funnels, you are using ClickFunnels, which is anywhere from 100 to 1,000 a month, which is crazy. We have it as one of our features, and it is pretty accessible, and you can manage your funnels and websites on your own. Through your funnels and websites, you are converting visitors into clients. You will build and host custom landing pages, funnels, and forms for lead generation. You can track your page views, opt-ins, and conversion rates, and integrate seamlessly with ads, automation, and our CRM. Another one is automation management, for which you can use Make or Zapier, which are anywhere from 20 to 100, 200 dollars per month. And again, we have it as one of our features. It saves your time and your leads are staying engaged because of that. We offer you templates for each process you will need in your marketing funnel. You will automate follow-ups, lead nurturing, and appointment confirmations. You will reduce manual work while maintaining personalized communication, and you will set up workflows that are triggered by lead actions like booking a meeting or filling out the form. For ads reporting and optimization, you are not using any paid software. You are using just multiple platforms for your ads management. That means if you are doing Google ads or YouTube ads, you have to use Google. For Meta, so Facebook and Instagram, you have to use Meta Ads Manager. For TikTok, again, TikTok Ads Manager. For LinkedIn, again, LinkedIn Ads Manager. We are combining all of that and putting it into one interface so you can see all of your reporting, track the performances of your ads in one place, optimize ad targeting based on real-time data and analytics, and eliminate the need to switch between multiple dashboards. Another one is lead magnet management. Through this feature, you can capture, build trust, and convert more leads. You can easily create and manage lead magnets like ebooks, checklists, and free consultation. You can automate delivery and follow-up sequences for lead nurturing and track your engagement and conversions rate for continuous optimization. Another one, we have email and SMS campaigns and automation, and for this is usually used MailChimp, anywhere from $13 to $20 per month. This tool is for effective direct marketing. So we create automated emails and SMS sequences for lead nurturing. We use triggers for fully automated email and SMS communication. We set up reminders to increase show-up rate. You can use pre-built templates for efficient messaging and track open rates, responses, and conversions to optimize these messaging. Reputation management, it doesn't have any paid alternatives, but again, you don't need to jump from Google My Business to Facebook reviews to Yelp. You just have one platform to do it, and you can build credibility with reviews, send email and SMS requests for Google, Facebook, Yelp reviews. You can monitor reviews and respond from the dashboard and display positive testimonials on our websites and social media profiles. The last one is our mobile app, through which you can manage your marketing anywhere. You can access your marketing tools from your phone, send messages, schedule posts, and track campaigns on the go, and get real-time notifications and manage leads from anywhere. We also bring for you course for understanding all of the features. You can through that learn and grow. You will gain access to this course covering all marketing aspects of your online marketing. Learn how to optimize your marketing funnels, content, and automation, and you will have step-by-step tutorials to ensure effective implementation. We are giving you our community, weekly calls, and constant support from our team. You can connect through this with experts and peers. You will join a private community of financial professionals using this system, and you will get real-time support, share insights, and network with like-minded financial experts. You will get access to ongoing Q&A sessions, so we can constantly go and talk to someone that is going to help you with your online marketing through appointment flow. So the pricing is $90 per month for the full access. If you are going to pay every 3 months, quarterly, you have 10% discount. If you are going to pay the whole year, you have 20% discount. For our clients from our Done For You implementation program, it is $85 per month with the same discounts when they pay every 3 or 12 months. Another really cool thing with our software is the referral program. because we don't want you to just have a great software and use it for your online marketing and earn money from that, but we want you to help others to find out that you are getting a lot of attention, a lot of clients through this software, and earn something on the backside of that. So we have 30% commission per paid referral. It is anywhere from $25 to $27 per month. 5 referred paying clients cover your subscriptions costs. So how to get started? First, we integrate your email, social media account, domain, client list, and so on. We customize your pipelines, automation, and lead tracking. We set up content posting, email campaigns, and ad management. We monitor performance and optimize workflows for better efficiency. And we hire managers of all of the needed processes to automate your online marketing fully. What are the best practices and continuous improvements? So if you would like something like this for yourself to really level up your online marketing or online presence as a whole, get in touch with us and let's together streamline our online marketing.